Hello students, welcome to Ayagriva Foundation YouTube channel. Students, in the previous class we all learnt about the Europeans who came to India in the name of trade. Later they established many trading centers in India. Among them the main Europeans are the Portuguese, the Dutch, the English and the French. Students, while discussing, I told that the French governor Dupleix, who was having a lot of ambition to establish French power in India, it led to the Carnatic Wars between the French and the English. About this I mentioned. So today let us discuss about the Carnatic Wars. First of all, what do you mean by this Carnatic? Carnatic is the name of a region. The British used to call the eastern part of Tamil Nadu as Carnatic. See, this is India, South India map, and Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, the east part of Tamil Nadu. So that one called by British as the Carnatic. So in this Carnatic region, the British and the French fought with each other, hence it is considered as Carnatic Wars. There are 3 Carnatic Wars, and today let us discuss about that one by one. So first let us discuss about first Carnatic War, which was fought between 1746 to 48. So what is the reason behind the first Carnatic War? Students, you all know that the British and the French both also belongs to Europe. So in Europe, if any incident take place, immediately it used to react in India too. So in Europe, Austrian Succession War started. Austrian Succession War started between the French and the Europe. As this war started between the French and the Europe, it affected even in India also. So the first Carnatic War started in India in the year of 1746. So by that time, the French governor in India was Dupleix. Already you came to know about Dupleix. So Dupleix, he decided to occupy Madras, one of the major trading centers of the British. Madras. To occupy this Madras, he wanted some support. That's what he requested the military general who was appointed in Mauritius as military general is nothing but La Bourdonnais. His name is La Bourdonnais. As La Bourdonnais was requested by Dupleix to come to India and occupy Madras. On the request of Dupleix, La Bourdonnais came to India and by defeating British, he captured Madras. As he captured Madras, by this the British suffered a lot, because the Madras was one of the major trading center and administration center for the British. So because of this, the British became very helpless, because they were not in the position to get back Madras from the French. So because of that, the British they asked the help of the Carnatic Nawab, who was called as Anwaruddin. Anwaruddin was the Nawab of Carnatic region. As British requested Anwaruddin, Anwaruddin declared war against the French, but he failed to defeat the French and to get back Madras to the British. So as there was no way to the British, so finally they paid some money to La Bourdonnais. By taking money from the British, La Bourdonnais returned Madras to the British and he went back to Mauritius. When this message came to know by Dupleix, he once again made an attempt to get back Madras from the British, but he was failed. When this situation was there in India, in Europe, the Austrian Succession War started. That war ended through the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Through the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle, that Austrian Succession War ended in Europe. As a result, in India also, the first Carnatic War came to an end in the year of 1748. So in the first Carnatic War, the British successfully protected Madras. They got back Madras from the French in the first Carnatic War. So this Carnatic War, first Carnatic War ended with the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. After discussing first Carnatic War, let us discuss about second Carnatic War, which was fought between 1749 to 53. So before going to second Carnatic War, let us understand the political circumstances of the Hyderabad and Carnatic region. In the Carnatic region, Dostali, who was the subordinator of Hyderabad Nizam, he was not loyal to him. At the same time, the Marathas attacked over the Carnatic region by killing Dostali, the Nawab of Carnatic region. Then they kidnapped his son-in-law, who is called as Chanda Sahib. So by this time, Hyderabad Nizam, Azaf Jah was, he appointed a Nawab to the Carnatic region. He is nothing but Anwaruddin. So after some time, the Marathas released Chanda Sahib. So Chanda Sahib was trying to become the Nawab of Carnatic region. So in this Carnatic region, Anwaruddin and Chanda Sahib, so between these two members, conflict started. And if you come to Hyderabad region, the Nizam of Hyderabad, Azaf Jah, died after some time. After his death, his son and grandson, son means Nasir Jang, grandson means daughter's son, Muzaffar Jang. In between these two members, conflict started to become the Nizam of Hyderabad. So it was the political circumstances in the Hyderabad and Carnatic region. Then in this political circumstances, what is the role of French and the British? So when these changes took place in Hyderabad and Carnatic region, both the French and the British, they decided to get advantage by this. As a result, the British supported to Nasir Jang and Anwaruddin. The British supported Nasir Jang and Anwaruddin. They formed an alliance, a group. Likewise, the French, they extended their support to Muzaffar Jang and Chanda Sahib. Muzaffar Jang and Chanda Sahib. So these three members formed an alliance. Now, as they made an alliance, an agreement also they made. So what is that? According to this, Muzaffar Jang and Chanda Sahib, they wanted to become the Nizam of Hyderabad and the Nawab of Carnatic. As a result, this alliance, French, Muzaffar Jang and Chanda Sahib, they formed an alliance and they declared war against the Nasir Jang. So the alliance of French, Muzaffar Jang and Chanda Sahib, already they formed an alliance, so they declared war against Anwaruddin. So in this war, Anwaruddin was killed. After killing Anwaruddin, Chanda Sahib became the Nawab of Carnatic region. So Chanda Sahib became the Nawab of Carnatic region with the support of the French. So that means French gained their political power in Carnatic region. And after this, another side, Muzaffar Jang, who is trying to become the Nizam of Hyderabad. So even he also tried to defeat the Nasir Jang, but Nasir Jang was having the support of English. So this alliance is, they couldn't do anything for Nasir Jang. But with the internal enemies itself, Nasir Jang was murdered in his court. So after that, Muzaffar Jang, without any disturbance, without any problem, Muzaffar Jang became the Nizam of Hyderabad. So thus, French gained their political authority both in Hyderabad region and Carnatic region. During this time, the son of Anwaruddin, who was called as Muhammad Ali, he has taken shelter with the support of British in Tiruchinappalli. As the British decided to make Muhammad Ali to make him as the Nawab of Carnatic, so they appointed Robert Clive. They gave responsibilities to the Robert Clive to do this work. So Robert Clive and Muhammad Ali, so togetherly they declared war against the Chanda Sahib. and they defeated and killed Chanda Sahib. So after the death of Chanda Sahib, Muhammad Ali became the Nawab of Carnatic region. So like this, where the French were having plenty of opportunity to gain their political authority over the Carnatic region, they had lost with the death of Chanda Sahib. So after the second Carnatic war, and another side, Muzaffar Jung in Hyderabad region, Muzaffar Jung was the Nizam of Hyderabad. Even he was also murdered. Immediately the French appointed his Azaf Shah's another son, Salabat Jung. Salabat Jung. After appointing Salabat Jung for his protection, Dupleix appointed Bussy. Dupleix appointed Bussy for the protection of the Salabat Jung. So thus after this second Carnatic war ended with the Treaty of Pondicherry in the year of 1753. In the year of 1753, through the Pondicherry Treaty, second Carnatic war came to an end. Students, in the second Carnatic war, the British got success. Though they were not having any position in Carnatic and Hyderabad region also, finally with the effort of Robert Clive, they gained their political authority in the Carnatic region, where the French were having very good opportunity to establish their political authority both in Hyderabad region and the Carnatic region. In that they had lost Carnatic region. So thus second Carnatic war ended. After discussing the second Carnatic war, let us discuss about third Carnatic war, which was fought between 1756 to 63. Like first Carnatic war, the third Carnatic war took place in India because of European circumstances. Because in Europe, in the year of 1756, 7 years war started between the French and the English. As a result, it affected in India too with third Carnatic war. As in the second Carnatic war, the French had lost the opportunity to get control over the Carnatic region or to establish their political authority over the Carnatic region. The French government decided that, so for this, Dupleix is the responsible. So because of that, they called back Dupleix and they appointed a new governor called as Count de Lally. They appointed Count de Lally. As soon as Count de Lally came to India, immediately he made an attempt to attack over to capture Madras. So for this, he was in need of sufficient army. That's what he called Bussy. You might have remembered that second Carnatic war, in that while discussing I mentioned, to protect Salabat Jung, Dupleix appointed a military general who was called as Bussy. So Count de Lally summoned Bussy from Hyderabad to Madras. Now there is no one to protect Salabat Jung. Immediately the British captured Hyderabad also. So after this, both Count de Lally and Bussy, they decided to capture Madras. So before capturing Madras, what happened? They wanted to face a battle which is called as the Battle of Vandivash, which was taken place in the year of 1760. It was fought between Bussy and Sir Eyrecourt. Bussy was the French commander and Sir Eyrecourt was the British commander. In this battle, Sir Eyrecourt defeated Bussy. Later, Count de Lally was hidden in Pondicherry. So finally, in the year of 1761, Count de Lally also captured or surrendered to the British in the year of 1761. And at the same time, means after 2 years, in the Europe, which was 7 years war was going on, so that battle came to an end in the year of 1760 through the Treaty of Paris. Through the Treaty of Paris. So as a result, third Carnatic war also ended through the Treaty of Paris. French lost their bases. That means in India, whichever the trading centers or factories had the French, all those places they had lost to the British. Second one is Pondicherry was returned to the French by the British. Means according to the Treaty of Paris, the British handed over Pondicherry to the French on a condition. What is that condition? Here onwards, you should not supposed to interfere into the political matters of Indians. So with that condition, they had returned Pondicherry to the French. With this restriction, the French had lost their political importance in India. So only towards the trade they started to concentrate. And the very last one is, by defeating the French, the British started to consolidate their power in South India. As I told that already, the Dutch, the Portuguese, without competing against the French and the English, they left India. And second one is, only the French and English remained very powerful for some time, and in that the British succeeded by defeating French, and then they established many trading centers in India, and moreover they started to consolidate their political power in India. So thus, after completing the Third Carnatic War, many changes took place in India. Students, in this class we have discussed about First Carnatic War, Second Carnatic War, Third Carnatic War, and for this reasons and results. Okay. In the next class, let us discuss about some more wars like the Battle of Plassey and the Battle of Buxar. Thank you.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಂದೇಹಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್